Wiring a house with prefabricated exterior walls requires more time than wiring a standard stick-built house. You can generally expect a 15 to 25% increase in the wiring time. Several factors contribute to this increased time. Firstly, pre-assembled walls. Prefab walls arrive on site already assembled. The wiring cannot be installed prior to assembly. This means you need additional time to route and pull wires through the pre-assembled walls. Secondly, there is limited access to studs. The insulation and sheathing in prefab walls make it more difficult to access the studs for wiring. This slows down running and securing wires. Thirdly, wall thickness. Prefab walls are typically thicker than standard walls. This increases the distance the wires have to travel, adding to the wiring time. Finally, coordination with the general contractor is key. Careful coordination is needed to ensure the walls are delivered on schedule. Make sure any necessary modifications, such as for electrical outlets, are made before assembly. To manage the extra time, firstly, estimate conservatively. Allow an additional 15 to 25% wiring time in your bid to account for the increased complexity. Secondly, communicate with the general contractor. Establish clear expectations regarding delivery timelines, wall modifications, and coordination of electrical rough-in. Thirdly, use efficient wiring methods. Consider using stapling techniques or wire reels to streamline the wiring process and save time. Fourthly, utilize specialized tools. Invest in tools specifically designed for working with prefab walls, such as long-reach pliers or drywall saws. Fifthly, consider subcontracts. If the project is particularly complex or time-sensitive, consider subcontracting the wiring portion of the project to a specialized electrician. Whether wiring a house with prefab exterior walls is difficult depends on your skill level, experience with prefab construction, and the specific project requirements. However, with proper planning, coordination, and efficient work practices, it is possible to successfully wire a prefab house without excessive difficulty. The factors that increase the amount of time taken to wire a prefabricated home include the pre-assembled nature of the walls, limited stud access, increased wall thickness, and the need for close coordination with the general contractor. The pre-assembled nature of prefab walls means electrical wiring cannot be done before assembly, increasing the time needed to route and pull wires. Insulation and sheathing make accessing studs more difficult, slowing down the process of running and securing wires. Thicker prefab walls increase the distance wires must travel, adding to the overall wiring time. Coordinating with the general contractor is crucial to ensure on-time delivery and pre-assembly modifications, such as those needed for electrical outlets. Efficient wiring methods can help reduce extra time. These methods include estimating conservatively, improving communication with the general contractor, using wire reels and stapling techniques to streamline the wiring process, and investing in specialized tools like long-reach pliers or drywall saws. It may be advantageous to consider subcontracting a specialized electrician. This is especially true when faced with a particularly complex or time-sensitive project. The difficulty of wiring a prefab home can vary. With sufficient experience, proper planning, and efficient coordination, it can be successfully completed. Always allow for additional time when preparing an estimate. This will ensure adequate compensation for the increased complexity of wiring prefab houses. Clear expectations with the general contractor regarding the timing of the construction and any necessary modifications will aid in keeping the wiring project on track. Using efficient wiring techniques such as wire reels, stapling will save time. A variety of tools can be used for ease of wire installation in prefabricated walls. Also, do not hesitate to use subcontractors that are specialized in this sort of installation. This is beneficial when dealing with complex or time-sensitive projects. In summary, the keys to effectively wiring prefabricated homes are preparation and experience. Factors influencing the additional time required for wiring prefab walls include the fact that the walls are pre-assembled and the wiring cannot be installed before they are put together. The insulation and sheathing make accessing the studs more difficult. Prefab walls are typically thicker than standard walls. This can increase the distance that wires need to travel. The coordination with the general contractor is very important to ensure the walls are delivered on schedule. Make sure any necessary modifications are made before assembly. To manage the extra time, you should estimate conservatively. It is best to allow for an additional 15 to 25% of wiring time in your bid to account for the increased complexity. Communicate clearly with the general contractor regarding delivery timelines, wall modifications, and coordination of electrical rough-in. Efficient wiring methods will save time, such as using stapling techniques or wire reels to streamline the wiring process. Specialized tools, such as long-reach pliers or drywall saws, are helpful when working with prefab walls. Consider subcontracting the wiring portion of the project to a specialized electrician if the project is particularly complex or time-sensitive. The difficulty of wiring a house with prefab exterior walls is subjective. The electrician's skill level, experience with prefab construction, and the specific project requirements will affect this difficulty. However, with proper planning, coordination, and efficient work practices, it is possible to successfully wire a prefab house without excessive difficulty.